Hello YouTube, George here. Today I'm going to show you how to install your own web server on your computer and how to create your own web page. First, what you want to do is go to this website here, www.apachefriends.org/en/examp-windows.html. You want to scroll down to this link here, installer. Examp for Windows 1.7.7. You can also install this for Mac as well. The installer is 81 megabytes, and once you've installed that, you would want to go to Start menu, All Programs, Apache Friends, Examp Control Panel. Click on that, and this will come up. It's got many things. It's got a FTP server, a email, SMTP server, MySQL server, and Apache server. What you're going to need to run first is your Apache server. If you're integrating a user management system or anything that uses a database, you'll want to run your MySQL server as well. So once you've got that running, you want to go to your web browser, type in localhost. I'm running on port 81 because Skype uses port 80, so I had to change it to port 81 so that I could run it with Skype. Although if I ran it before Skype, it was okay, but I just did this. So as you can see, here are my directories. This wouldn't come up first, it would come up with the Examp welcome page type thing, but I just removed that. To view the htdocs, go to local disk, so C drive, Examp, htdocs, and here's all of the directories, so all of these. So I'm going to create a new one and name it tutorial. Refresh, there it is, tutorial, go into that, and we're in the directory. Now what you want to going to do next is open up either Notepad or a HTML editor. I'm using RapidPHP. So if I open up that, as you can see, it's created a page for me. I'm just going to remove that. So let's get started. First we're going to want to declare the doc type. So we'll put in doc type HTML. And then we're going to add the HTML tags. Now what this does, this tells the page that it is in fact a HTML page. Next we're going to add the head tag. Now all of your scripts and external CSS will be linked within the head tag, and the title also. So the title is what shows up in the tab of the web browser. So let's name this YouTube tutorial. Once you've done that, I'm just going to save it to the directory. Make sure that it is in fact a HTML file, and name it index. Now index, the web server knows that the file name of index is the first page that it is going to load. You can change this within the web server config files to load any page that you specify, but normally it's index. So as you can see, this is our blank page, YouTube tutorial, like that. Okay, next we're going to add in the body tags. Now this is where your main content is going to be. So let's add in P. P is paragraph, so this is a YouTube tutorial. Save that, refresh, there we go, this is a YouTube tutorial. Let's add in a header. You can do H1, H2, H3, H4, and H5 and H6. Each time it gets smaller. So as you can see, that's quite big. H2 would be smaller, and progressively it would get smaller as it goes down to H6. Okay, we are going to put in some style. So as you can see there, I've put style, the tag style. Now I've put type equals text slash CSS, and CSS, cascading style sheet, is the style thing that we use to style a web page. So let's use a simple tag. So we'll put h1, open curly bracket, close curly bracket. Inside here we're going to put a property. So h1 is the identifier, property is color, and the value is red. Always remember, after the property put a colon, and after the value put a semicolon. Save that, refresh. As you can see, it has changed the h1 to red. We can do many different things with this. We can add a background color, blue. Save. As you can see, that has made the whole of the h1 blue. You can do many different things with the CSS. You can do h1, add a colon, hover, open curly bracket, close curly bracket, color green. As you can see, when you hover over the h1, the color goes green. The font color turns green. I hope that this tutorial has helped you. This is episode 1. I will be doing 10 episodes of basic website design. That will cover positioning, changing font, all types of stuff, all of the CSS. So this is the internal CSS within the head. Usually you would link an external CSS because it if you are having multiple pages, so index.html and then like login.html, you don't want to keep copying the CSS and putting the same CSS in each page. You would want it to link to an external CSS, so you could change that file and then it would change each separate file. So yeah, I hope that's helped you. If you have any questions, just send me a message on YouTube. Thank you.